I didn't
It's okay,
do it.
everybody forgets.
Frick.
Yeah, so let's take off.
Go
And-
damn.
So there's, as I was saying, there's a logical sequence. So step one, go ahead. Step one. And a lot of people forget they skip step two.
They don't put it in
Right?
drive?
They do step three, which is SMOG. So we'll just do this here. We're going to do it the wrong way. Go ahead and signal. Mirror. Blind spot. And now you got to look over here. You're taking your attention away from your blind spot. Anything can happen when you're changing gears. So
Yeah.
the very last thing you do is you check that blind spot.
Blind spot.
Yeah. So you're always verifying before you move the car. You verify no one's in there in your blind spot.
If I forgot the parking brake. Wasn't even thinking.
Only once though. You remember. Usually people forget all the time. So this house here looks like a castle, eh?
Yeah, these are crazy.
All they need is a drawbridge and a moat.
They're probably expensive.
It's probably got a dragon down in the dungeon or something.
Crazy.
Like the Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this area. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. These roads are nice.
Yeah. And then you got these cartoon trees here around the corner. See the cartoon trees right there? They look like mushrooms. Dr. Seuss trees. That's good door length. And we'll take the first right turn where that car just turned.
Man. I got enough room.
Yep.
Yeah, kind of good.
Okay, we'll pull it over safely to the right side of the road. We'll do a roadside stop.
Where should I aim my stuff? Right here, about here?
Yeah, you're good. So long as you put 2 tires and maybe in the gravel. So this is good right here.
Engage parking brake.
Okay. Here, you don't have to turn the wheels.
You don't have to?
No, because you're not on a hill.
So we're just keeping it like this?
Yes, and a lot of people do conflate the hill parking with the roadside stop because we're doing it all in the same lesson.
Mm-hmm.
So you just keep those separate. The roadside stop is completely different than the hill parking.
So we're just leaving it.
Yeah, because you're on flat ground here. And so if there's an emergency, what do you do? Yeah, there we go. That completes the maneuver.